What's up? This is Plowman here to tell you how to fix that super annoying clicking sound you can hear if I'm just quiet for a little bit. And I might have the guy that does the editing, super awesome editing on this videos, turn up the volume just for the quiet section so you can really hear the sound. Alright, so I got that. I had a day, I shot multiple hours of video, and I learned the hard way that when you're shooting video, you should really check as you're going, sound quality, things like that. Maybe you forgot to turn a mic on, something like that. Anyways, I didn't do that. We had hours of video, and it has this sound that you can't really take out. Well, in my case, I looked it up. Other people have this issue. It's specific to the VideoMic Go microphone, and is being caused by interference. In my case, it's being caused by Wi-Fi. I live in an apartment building and I can't tell everybody to turn off their Wi-Fi. So essentially this made this mic unusable for me. So that's why I went and made this video. Super important to me, super annoying, pretty frustrating. But what I'm gonna do to give you a comparison is I'm gonna put on the Go Pro Plus microphone. I saw a review that said this microphone as well as the normal Pro microphone fix the issue, or rather don't have this issue where it picks up this interference from the Wi-Fi and other signals around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this guy on and let you hear the difference between the normal Go microphone and this Pro Plus microphone from Rode. All right, what's up? So I'm back. I just switched out microphones. Here's the old Go microphone. Got a lot of great use out of this, but I no longer need this guy. It might be good if you were actually on the go filming something where you're going around in the city or probably out in rural areas, somewhere with less Wi-Fi that might interfere with the Go microphone. So what I have on now is the Pro Plus microphone, and you'll notice if we're quiet for a little bit, there shouldn't be any clicking coming in, messing up the signal that I'm getting in on the audio. So long story short, if you notice clicking in your audio and you have the Go microphone from Rode, get a different mic. That's really the only solution, unless you can turn off all the sources of electrical interference such as Wi-Fi and things like that. Anyways, thank you for tuning into this video. I hope it saves you some headache, something I wish I knew before I got this particular microphone. If you like the content, please make sure to subscribe. I'm releasing a new video every day now, so let me know what you like to see, what you don't like to see. I also make a lot of music, so you should check that out. I'll include links to all that stuff in the description below. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.